Hi everyone. This second video is for my seventh grade students. We have a quiz coming up on Thursday, March 26th. This is the first thing that's on the quiz. This concept is in another video that I've already published, so look for that video. Um, this video is going to be about adding and subtracting. You see subtraction here. This is about adding and subtracting integers. Integers are basically whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so on the side, I'll be writing some tips as well. Let's take a look at the first problem. And my first tip is that the first number is always your starting number. All right. What I mean is that this number right here is where we are going to start. It means that we are going to start at 5 in this problem. The next thing we're going to do, another tip that I have for you all is if you want to draw a number line, okay, use a number line to help you with this problem. Okay. And I'll show you how to do it with a number line right now. So I'm going to draw a number line. On my number line, I'll put 0. And just know that the positive numbers are above 0 and the negative numbers are below 0. Okay. Another thing to consider is when I say use a number line, if you don't like using a vertical number line, you may use a horizontal number line if you like horizontal number lines better. Okay, so we said we're going to start at 5. So I'm just going to go ahead and put 5 here. Okay. You might want to count to 5 though. So you might want to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And yes, this is where I'm going to start. Here's my starting number. Okay. Whoops, I'm sorry, my pen is acting weird. Okay, so my starting number is 5. Now I'm adding -3. Okay, my other tip is to think of negative numbers as anchors. Okay, negative numbers as anchors. So that means negative numbers are anchors. Now, we're starting at 5. Here's our submarine. It's on 5 right now, floating on 5. What happens if we're adding 3 anchors? Is our submarine going up or is our submarine going down? Since this is 3 anchors, are we going up or down? We're going down. How much are we going down? We're going to go 3 down. So 1, 2 down, 3 down. Where am I at? I've stopped at 2. I've ended at 2. So our final answer is +2. Be careful about your positives and negatives. Make sure your positives and negatives are correct. So make sure you identify that. So our final answer is 2. I mean, yeah, +2. All right. Let's try the next one. Remember our tips here. I'll put my tips here. I'm sorry. I don't know if I can squeeze this all in. Can I move my video? Yes, I can. Okay. Step 1. Step 1. This is our starting number. So we're starting at -5 this time. Remember my other tip, use a number line. So we'll go ahead and draw this on a number line. I would highly suggest starting with 0. We're going to go to -5. So go ahead, feel free to just label these. Okay, here's our starting points. And then now we're adding. But look at what we're adding. What are we adding? Since this is a +3, this is 3 floats. And that's my other tip. My other tip is to think of positive numbers as floats. So positive numbers are floats. I'm sorry for the handwriting. Okay, so we started at -5. We're adding 3 floats. If we're adding 3 floats, are we going up or are we going down? Floats make things go up. Okay, so we're gonna go up 3. 1, 2, and 3, and here we are. Our final answer is -2, therefore -2. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this problem right here. Again, this is our starting number. We're gonna start at -5. This is number 3. Start at -5. On purpose, I'm not gonna label these just because I know how to move around on the number line. If you don't know how to move around on the number line and locate numbers easily, you want to label it more. But if you can do it without labeling, that's okay too. All right, now think about what's happening here. That minus sign means, are we adding or taking away? Well, minus means take away. And what are we taking away? We are taking away a +3. We're taking away, so that means since we have +3, that's 3 floats. Okay, sorry about my handwriting. I'm sorry, but I hope it still makes sense. So we're starting at -5, but we're taking away minus. We're taking away 3 floats. What happens if we're taking away 3 floats? Are we going up or are we going down? Okay, well, if we're taking away things that help us float, that means we're going down. So we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, and 3. So my final answer, since we took away 3 floats, our answer is -8. Sorry, not the cleanest of videos. Okay. All right. Let's do number 4 now. Okay, our starting point is -5. Number line again. -5 is pretty much somewhere around here. Okay, now look at your minus sign. What does minus mean? It means we're taking away. What are we taking away? We are taking away 3 anchors because -3 means 3 anchors. Okay. So another tip is labeling. Okay, I'm labeling my minus sign, knowing that it's a takeaway. I'm labeling my -3 to know that's 3 anchors. We're taking away 3 anchors. So if I'm starting here, what happens when we take away 3 anchors? Well, it means that we're taking away things that are bringing it down. So that means since we're taking those 3 things that are bringing it down, that means we can go up 3. So when we go up 1, we go up 2, we go up 3, and I'm finally here. So -2. So my final answer to this question is a -2. I'm so sorry. Um, not the neatest videos here. So there we go. -5. I took away the 3 anchors, so we go up 3, and then my final answer is -2. Okay, I hope this video helps. This is not the only way to add and subtract integers, but it is one way we are thinking about it. So again, know that your first number is your starting number. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, use the number line. Tip number 3, think of your negative numbers as anchors. This is 3 anchors. This is 3 anchors, okay? And think of your positive numbers as floats. These are 3 floats. These are also 3 floats. Okay? Hope this video helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Happy to talk to you over email. Take care. Bye.